Hey friends, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Crypto.com DeFi wallet. This is an application that you can download and connect to your Crypto.com account. We're going to use this to purchase METF. You can also use this to purchase MMF, which is the native token for MMF Finance. All right, let's get into it. Now, the first thing we need to do is get some Chronos or CRO into our wallet. Now, as you can see, I've got a little bit of a balance here in Chronos, around $55. Today, what we want to do is we want to test out actually purchasing another token on the Chronos network, and that is MMF Finance, or what we're actually looking for is the METF. It's a new token that actually is based on all of the tokenomics that are happening on MMF Finance. Again, there's a lot here. What we suggest, if you don't know what these terms are, you need to go and check out a few of our other videos that we have on the page. Do some research. This, again, is not financial advice. We simply want to show you a quick tutorial on how we're doing this. So again, one of the best ways of getting CRO into your account, if you don't have that, is linking it up to your Crypto.com account. If you don't have one of those, use our link in the description box below. Check out our videos on linking these two accounts. You can get some CRO into your DeFi wallet. Okay, now that we have all that background up and ready, we are all set to go ahead and purchase our METF is what we're going to do today. And then we'll also show you the process of just buying MMF if you're interested in that. So what we're first going to do is we need to change our CRO balance into a different format that can be recognized by MMF Finance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Chronos there. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on Chronos Bridge. So basically what Chronos Bridge does is it's going to take all of our CRO that's currently on crypto.org, and it's just going to transfer it over into this Chronos beta section using the Chronos Bridge, and that's going to put it into a format that MMF Finance recognizes. I know, a little bit complicated, but we're going to walk you through the steps. So again, what we have is our CRO max balance I can push in right there. I'm actually not going to put in that full amount though, because we need to retain a little bit of CRO for those network fees. So what I'm going to do is actually just let's do 133, and that will save at least $1 or so on the current balance. And then I'm going to click transfer 133 CRO. Okay, this asks you to just look over this for confirmation. It's looking good to us. I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, once you submit that request, you can see we get a confirmation page, and there we go. Okay, let's go back to our homepage here. Now, as you can see, we're still showing the balance in Chronos there, but again, it has migrated over into that bridge format. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is actually jump on MMF Finance, and we'll be able to make our exchange now using their native exchange utility. So to do that, I can hit the dApps button down at the very bottom. That's going to bring up a couple of options here. One is popular. I'm going to click the middle button here at the top. It says Chronos dApps, and as you can see, MMF Finance is the second one down. I've also saved this over here as a bookmark, and I can click on that, and that's going to take me to the home page. Okay, so we are currently on the homepage of MMF Finance, and what we are going to do is obviously make sure your wallet is connected. You can use that little button up there at the top right-hand corner. You can see our wallet is already connected, and then we'll come down here to the trade option that's down just below that second box in our little list there. I'm going to click it on the very far left, and then we're going to click on exchange. Okay, as you can see, our wallet is recognizing that we have 133 CRO available here in our wallet. So now what we want to do is we actually want to select the kind of currency that we want to swap or exchange our CRO into. So I can click on select currency down there at the bottom, and you can see we already have some options here. So you can select MMF there if that's the token you want to purchase, or what we're going to do today is select the METF token. And then we're going to click on the max button up top. Okay, now again, because I need a little bit to remain due to network fees, I'm actually going to change this to 130 actually. Click done, and then as you can see, we're going to get 0.55 roughly METF. I'm going to click the swap button, and we're going to confirm swap. All right, as you can see, there is an estimated network fee of 1.60. That's why you need to save a little bit of CRO in your wallet. I'm going to hit confirm. And transaction was submitted. Okay, let's click close. There we go. Okay, so the transaction is complete. Now there's one last thing we need to do, and that's to add METF to our wallet list. Okay, so let's go ahead and import METF as a token we can see in our wallet. I'm going to click the import token button, and then we're going to select the network, which is going to be this one up here at the top, the CRC20, Chronos Network. We're going to enter the token contract address. Okay, now this is where we need to pick up that address. So one of the ways you can do this is actually by going over here to coingecko.com, typing in the correct coin. As you can see, the Mad Meerkat ETF is the one we want. I am going to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, we have a contract address right here in the middle. You can hit that little copy button. See, click to copy. There we go. And then we're going to go back over to our wallet. You can see that we can paste it right there from our clipboard. You can see the token name, the token symbol, the decimals, and then we're going to click import token. Okay, import is successful. And just like that, we've got Mad Meerkat ETF. You can see we already have 0.55. That is what we traded for. It's now available here in our wallet. Now this will look exactly the same if you've done MMF. Now the only difference if you want to purchase just MMF or the MMF coin, MMF Finance coin, what you need to do is instead of METF, just as you're on this exchange page, when you select the currency, you're going to be looking for the MMF. And as you can see, it comes up on the token list because it's very popular. The other thing that you can look for is the contract address again on CoinGecko or something like that and import it that way. I can click on this, and then as you can see, we can walk through that exact same process that we did last time and actually purchase MMF. Just remember, you do need to import that token into your wallet once you are done exchanging your coins. Okay, that's it, friends. That's how you purchase MMF or METF using your Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Again, if you guys don't have any of these accounts and want to use a referral link, that would be amazing. We'll put some links in the description box below. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped, and subscribe because we're making a ton more of these videos, and those will be coming out really, really soon. We'll see you on the next one.